this is it, money.
Okay, hey guys, it's J Beauty and I'm back again with another video. Small little makeup tutorial. Here I am applying my NYX Shine Killer Primer. You always want to make sure you're taking good care of your skin so that your makeup can look its best. So we're going to prime the skin to protect it from the makeup that we'll be placing over the primer. Just want to rub that in nicely. Here I am brushing on my brows. I always brush on my brows before I apply any makeup, any product, just to make sure they're going upward. And then here I am taking my eyebrow pencil and I'm shaping out my brows. I take my brows very seriously. Doing my brows is one of my favorite things to do when it comes to my makeup. So here I'm shaping out my brows. Trying to get close enough to you guys so you can actually see the shape and what I'm actually doing with the brow pencil. There you can see the shape and everything. Then I'm going to go behind that with my MAC concealer palette. I'm just going to take that and shape the bottom and the top of my brow. And I always go in with a shade that's closer to my skin tone. If I want to add some highlight or a lighter shade right on that brow bone, I just do it with eyeshadow. But then it depends, because sometimes I'll take a lighter concealer right in the middle there and then I'll just blend it out together. But 9 times out of 10 I'm doing it the way that I'm doing it in this video here. I'm going to take a nice brush and blend that out. And this is like my favorite part in doing brows because it really brings out that shape and cleans it up. So I'm going to do the same thing with the other brow. Here I am getting started on my eyeshadow. I'm going in with a deep brown. I'm taking it in the crease of my eye and blending it out upward so that it blends a little on the brow bone, right up under the brow bone. And then I'm taking a lighter concealer to shape the eye, and here I'm going back in to set that concealer with a light eyeshadow. If you pat and not sweep your eyeshadow, you'll get more product rather than sweeping it away. You're placing it and packing it on. Here I'm going back in with that brown eyeshadow in the crease, and then here I am taking a shimmer eyeshadow and I'm going in the corner of my eye. Just dabbing a little bit more in there so you can really see it. And then here, as I was speaking on earlier, I took a little bit of that shimmer and I put it on my brow bone. And as you can see, I'm blending it out. And it looks very pretty. So you have a little shimmer on that brow bone to draw attention and light to that brow bone. And then here I had just finished applying a little foundation, Fenty Beauty foundation. Normally I don't wear foundation, but you know, for video purposes and for an actual makeup tutorial, I use the foundation. Here was just a still cut so you can get into that eye. And you know how everything blends together. You always want everything to blend together. You never want it to be obvious. So when your makeup starts and finishes, when people look at your makeup, they should just see one beautiful masterpiece. Like when you look at a painting, there may be different things in the painting, but the main subject of the painting is always obvious and clear. It's never, you know, yeah. I tried to give a little example. Hopefully that made sense to you guys. Yeah, I don't know. Here I just finished shaping my lips, lining my lips with a brown liner. I love my brown liner. And then I'm going in with a red lip. I did lightly contour also before applying my lipstick. And with the contouring, I just did my cheeks and I took it a little over my forehead. Here I'm fixing my hair because it's definitely a wash day. Just fixing a little bit. Here I'm going in with mascara, finishing up the makeup look. I'm taking some mascara, and then here's the finished product, guys. Look at those eyes. I love this eyeshadow and this whole makeup tutorial look. It was really pretty. I enjoyed making this, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you guys next time.